Okay, at least now it should working at least fine. I have much background noise. I'm not sure it I can clear that background noise or not. I'm not sure. So whatever. Let's start with it. What I am working on. I am working on this project, which has a routing, and inside it do various things. And actually, I am optimizing this right now. So first of all, I'm going to, okay. Let's understand. So first, this is the route, uh, and it has get, post, put, delete. Everything of route will be there, there, uh, there, and there. There is a trim thing there. There is URI and method. URI and method probably set by this active set route, nothing else. And OMG, I removed that. And no, it is actually okay. Okay, that's a very very different thing. OMG. हे भगवान. अरे गेट बंद कर दे. ओ गेट बंद कर दे. गेट बंद कर दे. हद है. Okay, okay. Let's came back. Hmm. Right now there is a false there, and if there is a false, uh, I'm gonna make it something else appear there. So it's actually also saying false. It should not be say false. It's actually has to reply it like this. So this. So it's about that. And think whatever. First of all, let's start with the game. Where I where I where I was. So there is active routes, which is I'm not using it. I like to use it in future. So actually I make it private and put it there. Maybe I just put it protected. So I can actually share with my maybe not, where I can share that. Let it make it public because at least I know what is route and what kind of function it can be run. So first of all, there is active set route, and we are actually getting directly request URI there. It's so not like that, but actually request URI is pretty much done by our STXS. So it is nothing to fear about that. But this is, I think this can be issue. So let's see, there is something of filter input, because we are right now almost, we actually do everything with this project, but we are actually making it more secure right now. We can actually, let me show you, uh, go to setup and create every model, and according to that model, uh, we have to run auto setup there, here. And according to that auto this model, according to this model, everything get almost remade, I will say, according to the parameter which we passed in there. So everyone is y there, but it doesn't matter. uh, Actually it is matter, it should be y by, because something I am doing on the background. There is a crud and multiple things there. First go to routes, and let's make it something secure. So filter input, What is that? So input get search filter sanitize encode and sanitize char means character, but I don't want to. Maybe there's some kind of thing there. So how much kind of sanitization is there? There is only encode and char, so nothing else. Maybe I have something I can find on online sanitizer filter, because there is also email encode. Oh, there are many things. I never see that. Magic codes add slashes deprecated and removed from. So magic codes is not there. So why it's there? It is depreciated. So sometimes some product are depreciated, but it's still there. So it should not be there. Whatever. Estimate estimate special characters. Mm. It's maybe it's about some kind of encoding thing. So okay, so encoding it in the Unicode. Okay, that is understandable, and maybe it's going to work. Maybe not. I'm not sure again. Mm. Okay, so I never know about this. So thank God I know it now. Hmm. Okay, so there is this is it. So oh no, it should not. It is method. So method should be in character. So mm, what is special characters? What what is actually do? It doesn't do anything. I think it doesn't do anything. Special character. Okay, it is not full. Okay, I get some kind of tools here. That's very much interesting to me. Um, HTTP special character also I have that. So with that I can actually make some kind of. Uh, I think this is a good idea. So single quote, double quote, and amp. So okay, this is the best thing, but I need only a string kind of encode like that. It can have some kind of slashes. So Where is adding slashes? Mm. Okay, so if we use especially http char, it is very much secure. That's sure. That is sure. Mm-hmm. So what can we use for a character which is not a special? It's just a character. It's just sent as string. I think this. Oh no, special characters is actually that stripped. Okay, it's also everything is. Um, I think we should not use like that. Maybe. Mm-hmm. Thank God, actually, I get this idea from Apache, or maybe I'm gonna use nothing there. So nothing. So this is fine thing to be fair. So uh, we have to use http and add slashes there and there. What is add slashes? Oh, okay, add slashes to what? Okay, 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 okay. Add slashes to that. Okay, that's very interesting. Okay, now I understand. Add slashes what is do. What is the main motive of it? Uh, so basically, it is a. I have no idea. One second. ये पापा के पास है क्या? कब तक खत्म नहीं हुआ? पापा बुला रहे हैं. ओके. एल जी टी टी और मतलब ये सब कुछ इनकोड कर दे रहा है. ये तो समझ गया मैं. एस टी पी टी स्पेशल कैरेक्टर एंड और एस टी टी पी स्पेशल कैरेक्टर से काफ़ी कुछ चल रहा है. आया कब से? काफ़ी पहले से है. पीपल why should not people use this often then? सब कुछ इन्होंने डेप्रिशिएट कर दिया है. आई थिंक दिस इज बेटर थिंग टू बट एड स्लैशेस. अच्छा, एड स्लैशेस तो समझ आ गया. सिर्फ वो ने इसमें एड स्लैश करता है. आई थिंक string int flag int code in subroute. Oh, OMG, there's a many thing here. Int code quotes in substitute int html. What is that? चलो एटलीस्ट थोड़ा बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो हो गई. हम कहीं पे ऐड तो कर नहीं रहे हैं, बट इससे कुछ इश्यू पड़ सकता है क्या? बिकॉज ये तो केस होगा, मतलब अगर अगर अपने पास है ही नहीं तो कोई कुछ और भेज दे तो। ओ एम जी, दैट्स आल्सो पॉसिबिलिटी। पर अगर कुछ और भेजेगा तो वो अपने आप डेट में भेज देगा, अपने पास ऐसा तो है ही नहीं कुछ। फिल्टर इनपुट इनपुट गेट। मे बी इनकोड बढ़िया है इस मामले में। आई थिंक दिस शुड बी डन लाइक दैट, सेंट एज इनकोड एंड परसेंटेज 20 सर्च क्या है क्या सच? सर्च यूआरएल इज सर्च एंड सर्च का ये मी क्या लगा है भाई? ओ काफ़ी कुछ आ गया, एकदम से डिसाइड ही नहीं कर पा रहा क्या करना है नहीं करना। सेंटेंस इनकोड करें तो क्या आता है भाई? ओ एम जी, दिस इज रियली बैड। आई थिंक आई शुड यूज दिस हियर मे बी। लेट्स सर्च, इसको कैसे इस्तेमाल करा है? क्योंकि सेकंड पॉइंट होगा। अभी भी रिक्वेस्ट की इशू आ रहा है? अब तो फिल्टर वाल भी कर दिया। फिल्टर बार और इनपुट, अभी इनपुट करेंगे। इनपुट टाइप और स्ट्रिंग, फिल्टर इनपुट और फिल्टर, ये कि इसमें दिक्कत क्या है, अंतर तो है कुछ? ये है क्या भाई, इनपुट गेट? ओके, तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे क्या जा रहा है कि इनपुट रिक्वेस्ट करें हमें, इनपुट रिक्वेस्ट मे बी और URI की जगह हम URI इस तरह से करें क्या? इज इट वर्किंग? लेट्स सी। ओ नो, कहाँ पे दिक्कत आई ये तो पता लगे। एक माउंट करते हैं इसे, रिटर्न करके देखते हैं ये चलता है कि नहीं चलता। ओके, it has issues here also. Oh, it's 404. That actually I want. Oh no, one. It's not. It should not 404. I messed up big time. I messed up. Maybe I should remove this also. Let's just echo something here. So I have an idea where everything is going bad. So echo is working there. So okay, is something wrong going here? Okay, something definitely goes wrong here. So something really bad happened. But I do wrong. I have no idea. This is a biggest problem here. So let's undo this and see this. Is it work? Yes, it's work now. Whatever I did, it's very much wrong. But I have to try it again. So I'm gonna try it anyway. Okay, so definitely there is a issues here. At least uh input get input request maybe. There is no input request there. So okay, so it's server. There is server input server. There is server. So okay. Oh no, this should not be URL. Something else. So I don't want to actually do that anyway. So I don't think so. It has to change that much. So input server. I have still no idea, whatever. Maybe it's actually get that URI. Let's try get once here. So and okay, so something really bad happened there. So maybe I just print a method. Maybe I can actually get the but oh so filter input has a issue. OMG, why filter input has a issue? Input ser input server. It's actually that. So input env. What is input env? Mm, yes, it's really something really bad happening here. Okay, so it's not definitely not working. Uh, but at least I got some idea here and there. So first, definitely it doesn't actually do anything. If actually it has something else, it is not gonna make their loop. OMG, that's also the case. If I pass anything another than these things, it's actually gonna make it error for 500 probably. Mm, because there is nothing in it that actually refer to something. There's nothing. So mm, and also okay, so it's actually working now. uh, at least it's working. We will do it sometime later. i I do something about that because this is actually a thing that can be changed. And request URI. Oh, it can be something else. OMG, there's also issue. Oh, OMG, this is really really bad. I something really bad happening here. Yeah, URI can be anything. Ah, I just realize it now. And if I put anything there, it's just give me error. So best luck then. So let's use something here like maybe here. So filter input and this will be mm, input. It is so I don't think so. This will be like that. Filter var. We have to use filter var and also use this URL. Is it gonna work? Okay, it's working. So at least it's actually usable. Condition with functionality. What is conditioning with? What is actually saying us? PHP net bean. Maybe is it something is it that? No, no, nothing is work here. King here. OMG, it's not. I have. First of all, just printf it and let's see. Okay, it's actually something. Okay, it's still working fine. So at least nothing is broken there. But at least I'm filtering here because I think this is a good idea. I think I can back it. I think this is not a bad idea by any means. Even if it's not showing anything like before it is showing me, but it definitely is a better idea compared to anything, and it doesn't broke anything. So that's also a plus point. Maybe I use input serve, but it's not behaving like it has to be. But maybe I using something bad there. So okay, first of all there is active set uh, there URI method, uh, active route set, uh, I don't think so. This is a active route. Okay, okay, there can be two things. So, mhm, route and URI. So, I have no idea how it's gonna work. So, thinking about it, it's take more time than actually performing it. I think I should do it anyway. Uh, think less as possible and just do it. That is a better idea. So there's a for each, and I have to use for each on any other aspect of it. So I can use a public function as a active out set and public function and active route. So there is a two thing. First is active route and second is active route set. I think match route maybe. So there's match route there, and it's gonna behave something like this. First of all, I'm gonna make it. It has to be something like about function maybe. It should for each. I think it should for each. And okay, so it's gonna for each and if there is something matched, if there is something matched, uh, if gonna do something here, and if nothing gonna match, it gonna error it out as a 404. So like that, and here it's actually gonna make it check access. So okay, how it gonna check access? Okay, it can easily can check access about that. I think it should actually make it pass the route there. So okay, it can pass the route. And public function match permission, because there is a permission there, so it has to match the permission. Mm-hmm. Maybe it's not a better idea, whatever. Okay, so for match permission, should I pass the route? Maybe I make a parameter for route. So matched route. Maybe I make a parameter for that. Uh, find route. Okay, let's find route mm, and make something private. Match route. So route, and which will be empty, because why should it be filled that time? And make it this match route is equal to route. So that's the case here, and it will be route, and then we match okay, we actually run this function, and it do like that. mm, yeah, okay, something. I have to change a little bit there, because this, and also okay. mm, and mm, and also a else function, else will be 403 there. So 40, oh no, 403 there, and there should be then execution. I mean, function should be run there. Public run route, maybe. Okay, also it has to be okay, maybe. And and also it return, so it doesn't has to actually go for anyone or search for anyone. If it found, it will be returned. It doesn't has to, oh, it is a if else statement, so it doesn't matter anywhere. So if I put, because it has to be returned, it was like that it has something else to do. Run route, and what is route right there? This URI, okay, explored. It has to be explored also. So OMG, there's many things here and there. Mm, just copy paste that. it's getting little bit bigger. And it has to be. First of all, there is a real I and route URI, and route has nothing. So how actually it is route URI is this? So OMG. Definitely somewhere something is gone wrong, going to wrong. Uh, Something I have no idea, but it can be. Uh, it's matched out, so okay. So I can just do that. Okay, so this should be do the trick and maybe I'm doing too much there. So again, it's actually is it calculating this also? If no, it's not comment. It should not actually calculate this comments actually. So oh, it's actually calculating comments. What the hell with wrong with you? Ah, really, what wrong with you? Okay, first of all, route. Uh, Route should be replaced by this route. So maybe I just remove that. Maybe and run this function like every function is actually calling another function. So actually I just call find route and it's actually gonna perform everything. uh, Maybe not, maybe just make it listen and remove this function totally because it doesn't has to be there. And also this is still a very big for each. There's too much for each here and there. I still don't have. Maybe I just use this because it's still gonna work. But somebody said to me that this is literally. Oh no, I'm not gonna use that. Let's see. Error. Because why not? Listen and match permission. Somewhere actually going wrong, but it's not showing why it's going wrong. So first of all, it's okay. This URI. So there is a URI and there is a method. there are routes, and let's uh, echo 1 2 maybe. I will see something here and there. So it's working until there is not working there, so something really bad happened there. Route URI and this route there, and it's checking this route has what is URI? I think OMG, maybe something is going horribly wrong. It's not performing this echo command, so really something is somewhere wrong. It's definitely going to perform that, so something bad with this. I actually don't know about this function, so we fetch subject pattern subject and matches int and false pattern subject and matches. So what is the pattern? String subject array matches. So first of all, there is a pattern there, so which is definite okay, which is definitely is kind of working. So that's the case there. uh Still there are still some issue. Pattern subject, so mm-hmm. Let's see what is this URI and this is. Let's log, maybe not login. I think I should log in. This is the URI, which is API photo, and this is a route URI. Okay. Why there's active role there? Active role. OMG. OMG. Okay, okay. I see what I'm doing there wrong. Because if it's not match, it doesn't has to match there. It has not to be matched there. It has somewhere else to match. So there's no else there, and I remove that. Mm. So let's refresh it now. Okay, still there is error. Okay. Is it? So at least from there, from this point, function is working fine. So that's a relief. And uh, route. Okay, so okay, somewhere here is the issue. This route, OMG, it's spelled wrong. Route is not defined like that. It's defined like that. So it's still wrong. Something somewhere I messed up. Maybe, oh no, this is a match route. So doesn't. OMG. OMG, something really bad happened here. There's a response. Here is a raw data. What is wrong here? Definitely, it is something wrong here because is it headers are right? Mm-hmm. There should be some kind of cache there. Maybe I I do something in future about that because if some kind of cache is there, uh, its speed would be little bit fine. No, not a little bit. This is much finer. Mm-hmm. And I'm not getting why is this error there. Unexpected non-white character after column 4. Is it something like okay, there's a 1. OMG, this is the culprit now. Okay, so it's working fine now. Run route has a still issue. Oh, is it? I still can't get it. Is it fast? Is it slow? It's showing 3 ms here, but I'm 100% sure if I run it with auto cannon, it will be much less faster. It will be much less faster. It will be in the 5 ms, 50 ms mark. So it is not fast as I think it can be. So so at least working fine. That's is the good thing about this. Okay, first of all, let's match it out. Mm, should I use real UI? I'm gonna use real URI. Little bit previously. So uh, this real URI is should function it like here. Method URI. 1 second and make it I think this should work fine. Maybe not. Uh, and OMG, there's too many issue can be there, but I think everything is resolved there. Uh, oh no, why is this? Yeah, it should not be there. First of all, it's hard. Mm-hmm. I think this is working fine. So that's a good news at least. Mm, let's try this. Oh no. Okay. First of all, I have to do something here also. Uh, if we request for a particular item, it should be actually return false or yes. So something in the model we can actually get it right. So it's actually do get items there. So that should not be case there. You should not do that, because get item means it just calling many items. It's not calling one item, it's calling many items there. So uh mm, I'm gonna remove that. And it will be like here, get item. So terms. OMG, I think this is gonna work. Maybe it's not gonna work. Why it's not going to work? Okay, this is the issue, and now it should solve. So function all actually return everything. So that's the case. Final get actually means this item. Again, it's items here. Uh, it will probably, it should be gets. Oh no, maybe not. This is very much a. Oh, first of all, this is not like that. This is ID. So I understand why it's failing previously. No. Uh, I have to fix two, three things here. First of all, I think there is a find. Okay, this is a find, and if something is there, uh, first of all, there is a toString, and toString is actually going to make it return items again. But actually, we gonna do something else here. So items. Let put get, and get actually do something else. Uh, get actually find has ID, which is integer. How to make it possible? um Static type integer, maybe something like like int. Okay, this will be work. This will work probably. Oh no, it's can't. This can be something else also. So no, it can be work. It can work. So first of all, this is ID with ID, and if you're gonna get with ID, what can I do then? Find mean only single, so it will be first word I. So it has to be handle with a our MySQL. So let's go to DB. It is a DB file. I has to edit it sometime, so why not now? There is a fetch all there, so maybe I just see what in the PHP is fetch all. PHP. So fetch all mean array. Definitely, okay, I understand that, but I can actually make it limit 1, so that will be easy can be case. So maybe I just make it not like that. Get result, I should remove that. Okay, first of all, this query has something in it. I'm gonna add limit 1, so limit 1, so it will be limit that to 1, and it's actually only going to have one reply here. So it has oh mg 1 second. So omg, it can be anything. If limit is 1, how it's gonna react? I forgot that. I forget that. I forget. How can I forget this? And fetch all is okay. This query, because my SQL here is this, so because we are implementing MySQL here, so like that I should use something little bit better here. What is instance is doing there, and if there is a node instance, I'll create an instance of a new self and return instance self instance. Why the hell is get what is get instance? I have no idea. I have to complete that. I probably has to complete that. I have to pee. I think I will come back sooner. Let's see how actually I look in YouTube. Who is watching me? I want to know who is watching me. And I have to complete that. I probably has to complete that. I have to pee. I think I will come back. Is it sooner? OMG, this is really okay. Okay, it's working. It's fine. It's fine. But it's just YouTube doesn't actually look in. It doesn't kick YouTube. Who is watching me? I want to know who is watching me. And I have to complete that. I probably has to complete that. I have to pee. I think I will come back. Is it sooner? OMG, this is really okay. Okay, it's working. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. So let's remove that. YouTube I think I should talk a little bit higher note because sound is really very dull. whatever. uh, I came back in 5 minutes, only 5 minutes. First of all, I think I'm very, very my actually, where is it? First of all, let's set up my filter. Let's put some gain there. Maybe I should put something else, but right now I think it's sufficient. And 3 gain, maybe 3 is good. I'm not sure about this. Oh no, I trying to actually a little bit louder, and now I think, okay, this not going to work because uh it seems my throat is hurting little bit, and that should not happen. Whatever. Let's create something good here. uh this is a constructor and parents constructor. uh this db and this user, this and this, that, and this, that. First of all, let's actually do it in the new way. This is kind of old way. New way is like this. So everything is get passed like that. Oh no. First of all, mm, so something like that, and this is construct. OMG, why it's doing that? Parents construct this host db, this user db. Is there something there that I'm actually not getting it? Let's try this again. Maybe actually no, nothing is there. It's fine. And if MySQL correct, I have to check this function also. What is parents constructor? Is something there? Let's go to this and check. There is some kind of constructor there. here actually. So okay, there is some kind of constructor. So there is a host name, username, string, int, and string again. It's for socket. So four things are there. So if actually I override that, chat should get everything from here maybe. Ah, trial and error. This is only thing I know right now. So let's use that and make it like that and okay. So it's not work. Is it? It's not working. Okay. Uh oh, there is a no, there is a mention here. So let's go to model and let's see is it I am getting somewhere here or not. Maybe let get items and get items has get data and get data actually running this this result. Oh no, this result maybe. Okay, first of all let's see where is actually doing its stuff. So at least it's actually working here, but it's not passing here. Like it's actually working here also. So some kind of issue here. It has no relationship. So I wonder what's happened here. If I just okay, there is array. There is array. So why still it's not working then? If there is array, it should response it array. So uh, okay, maybe I should return this. Okay. I think I got what can be a potential issue. So it should not do that. No, it has to do that because there's a get item there and get item. Okay. And get item should return this. So that's will be kind of okay. Now it's returning. And let's remove this also now and see how it's gonna behave. Okay, and it's definitely lose his shit. uh so definitely mm, it actually passing it to its parents there, so it can do his stuff. And it has to be some kind of table name there also. So let's see. There is some kind of table there. No, there's no table there. So change users there, commit connect, nothing there. So okay. So first of all let's it has to do that. So um mhm. Clone is not allowed. Backup is not allowed. External installation of computer segment. I don't know about this, so I'm just gonna make it like there. So I'm not gonna change it there. So there's our I'm gonna use private no table. I think that will be fine because Why not? Uh, okay, it can be protected. It can be protected. Why should? OMG. Whoa, this is kind of protected. Uh, let's see it's gonna work or not. I think it's gonna work. It doesn't work, but I think it should work. But ever less, it doesn't work. Okay, okay. I know now. Maybe I should not use like that. This way. There's a table. That's about that I'm sure about. So table can be table means it's the table about it's about all about table and just about table. So it's about that, and there can be protected. It can be private. I will say fill label and so there will be private. Oh no. So I can somewhere actually I'm using that. Maybe not. OMG. Somewhere is a table actually using. Is it here? Uh, I don't think so. So why actually? Oh, okay. Now it's actually kind of fine. Hmm. Let's see. Maybe we can do something else here. So we don't have to do that again. Okay. Let's see here. Uh, parent constructor. Altern. Let's see. Maybe there is some kind of updates because it getting very updated literally. Sometime not many times it's get updated very much. So this it is not a it doesn't seem a good fit here. It is a name same, it is a and okay. uh, Maybe I just use maybe not. uh, I reset my reset it can't called reset, it just like I set my mic little bit differently, so that's it. So I can actually I'm not sure what I'm doing with this mic right now. uh, Default socket and port MySQL default host. What is default host? Int get, what is that? INI get. L- there are many things here, so whatever. uh, public function is construct, and tb is actually has public construct. And if I it is fine, but still I think this I feel like it can be a little bit easier to use, uh, because I already know PHP is not a fast thing. So and so I'm going to try it run in the PHP where it actually do kind of functions that actually run in kind of interval. So that's my whole point right now. Parent constructor to the child. Override parent constructor. Override parent constructor. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Maybe I should use some kind of default thing, so I maybe find out what is this is all about, because I'm really need to know that now. First of all, let's see. It is string host name. It is not a private thing. It is not a public thing. It is string. So maybe some kind of thing here that actually. So nothing. It's just a string. I think parent call is the best idea there, because everything else mean that you has to be make them at least private. No, not a private. Protected. So something like that. And also, what I'm thinking just before right now. Uh, I forgot about that. So there will be table and there will be fillables, and it will be only pick up the fillable items only, and table will be table which actually get which need to be updated or uh, created or used, something like that. So let's create a three things. Public function create. So mm, there's a dot, there should be only data there. So and db instance can actually make it happen that way. Oh, I don't think so. Db instant is that much good idea. We can actually use uh, our new db and actually pass table and fillables directly here, and fillables can be table can be near in array. So table can be in array, and no, fillable can be in array, and table is it's just a string. So nothing special about this. Hmm. I think this is the right idea. And why its parent set char set is uh char set. Let's just use that. So first of all, that is create data there. So, and definitely it doesn't do anything, so let's make it them private. And these thing I doesn't have any idea what are these, so I don't gonna touch that. I'm not gonna touch that, so that's it. I think this is a very good idea, as by the way, get instance and self, and oh, this is very good idea, I think. Why did I never try that? OMG. This can be possible, but I never do that. Okay, maybe I just do that in future. Before that, let's just create a table. And first of all, we has to creation. First of all, for creation, we has to sanitize everything, because that's this is all about. I'm doing this all about this kind of construction in my website for the sake of a secure website, nothing else. It My website is kind of properly working. I can actually make session and everything is gonna work. It is a headless thing, so it doesn't actually uh, have any kind of route or output. So it doesn't have a name of every route like laravel, but it's basically laravel inspired, you can say that. uh, let's create a data. So how I can create, uh let's see, create uh mysql, uh no, sorry, insert into mysql table, uh sql injection. So I has to do something in a very much safer way. I have to find that. It's too old, 11-year old. It, it's still old. uh, Maybe this will be not old. They are too much old. Everything is here is not a great idea. How to create? I know about in select, to be fair. So how to create that? How to create? Not I can do that. Create mysql no table, insert into mysql table, safest way, safely. Okay, it has good amount of thing there. So into user input, last name, first name, or OMG, it has something bind parameter and whatsoever. I'm not using PDO, so I'm actually using MSQLi here maybe. So this is actually PDO, and this is my SQLi. What is SI? What is SI there? Bind parameter SI. This is my safest way, but and it's very new, so I think I can use that. What is this? I think I am exhausted. How much big this is stream? Because if it is less than hour, maybe 2 hour, I'm not gonna leave that, because that mean I am very much lazy. 98 minute. It doesn't even. What is the 100 minute past, and I think I'm exhausted. Okay, how much I have to complete this anyway. So first of all, let's bind parameter somewhere and do something about this. Prepare. What is SI and SSID? Um, there is something there, and I'm not seeing that. What is SI here? What is SSSD? What is SSSD? I have no idea. SSD. SSSD. Okay. String, and digit. So what is SI there? Here. I think I just screwed it all. Maybe I just. OMG, I remove that. I probably remove that. Close tab. Recently close. OMG. I'm gonna regret that. Opening this kind of thing. Insert again. Insert into table. MySQL. PHP securely. OMG. Let's just remove PHP. Safely. Okay, this is it, and this is it. OMG, I have to log in, maybe not. So first of all, the thing is, there is SI there, so first name, and I have no idea what is where parameter doing here, so it is here. STMT. What is that? SSSD. I have no idea. Why? Okay, this is SS. So maybe this is about string and all. What is SMT there? So OMG, I'm doing some kind of really bad thing here. MSQL prepare, and this is OMG. There should be some kind of clue here and there. So bind mixed types statement vars. Why am I using that? I can use slashes. Where is that? No, remove slashes. Okay, add slashes. I can use add slashes, and it's just kind of work fine. So why am I doing that? And also, this is this kind of no. It can be very helpful to be fair, but it still have some issue. Let's just use strip drag and yes, I like to use strip tag also. uh, I have to use in many places now. That also. So there is great data should be in very much in the post kind of format, but it should not be post, but it's some kind of prepared. It should prepared in a matter that it easily able to understandable kind of. uh, so first of all, let's update here. So this is kind of update. It's array mysql. We are not going to use this kind of thing here and there because db insert is kind of very hacky way to do things. It's not actually t function and db insert, like this kind of thing. They are not a easy way to do things, kind of hacky way to do things. But I don't think so I have any more power to do php anymore. I'm gonna I will I will do something else maybe. No, I can't do that. I have to find this first. So first of all, this is ID, okay, and it has to be no, it has to be string at least. It has to be string at least, and okay. First of all, new static, and I still have no idea how it's. There's many issues there because if you're gonna find that, it is actually gonna. Oh, what's just happen here? Did I do something wrong here? OMG, I really do something bad here and there. Some kind of way, maybe. Let's see this. Oh, maybe this is a bad idea. And it should be private because no one can actually use this. So let's make it private. It's working fine at least now. But if we go to one, it's actually going to. Oh, it doesn't show anything. It's strange. Mhm. Maybe it's not strange. I get why it's do that. Get data and Oh, MG get result is not there. Get results are still there. It's there, but what does hell happen here then? Uh, OMG. And it's gonna work. Why it's not gonna work? I have no idea why it's is to what it is doing right now. Oh, I have no idea. I think this is over. This is over. I can't do it anymore. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna complete this, and next stop will be deno, and which is deno, which is kind of awesome. I will say it is very fine and very fast compared to PHP at least, and I'm gonna use fresh there. So it will take a little bit time, maybe 7 8 days. Let me eat tomorrow maybe.